You would never guess why Savannah, Georgia is ranked number 9 in Hurricane City's top 10. Why? You have to look no further than 2024's Hurricane Debby, which hit the Big Bend, Florida area and the Gulf, then crossed over into the Atlantic. Believe it or not, nearly 50% of all impacts in Savannah come from the Gulf of Mexico. Another interesting statistic is that nearly 70% of the tropical systems are at tropical storm status when impacting Savannah. Since 1871, Savannah has been impacted by 84 systems as of 2024, with only 3 majors directly impacting the city, starting with the Sea Island hurricane of 1893, which hit on August 28th with 115 mile-per-hour winds. The hurricane was moving north at 15 miles per hour, caused a 16-foot storm surge, killing 2,000 in the islands and the shoreline of Georgia. At landfall, the hurricane had a very large radius of maximum winds. This was a very large wind field and much larger than Hurricane Hugo. Believe it or not, less than 2 months later, if things weren't bad enough, another major would impact Savannah, passing just 49 miles to the east with 120 mile-per-hour winds. It would be over 60 years before another major would impact Savannah. In 1959, on September 29th, 125 mile-per-hour Hurricane Gracie hits just north from the southeast, passing just 40 miles to the northeast of the city. The most recent significant hurricane to hit Savannah was in 2016. On October 18th, Hurricane Matthew hit with 105 mile-per-hour winds while moving north. More than 370,000 people in Georgia were without power after the hit. Storm surge flooding was reported along the coast of Georgia, at least 3 dead on inundated roads that had been ordered closed. In Savannah, storm surge inundation flooded the parking lot of the Hyatt Regency Hotel and also flooded a ballroom with up to 18 inches of salt water. Floodwaters from the Savannah River inundated a restaurant at the east end of the river, and there were eyewitness reports of hulls of boats tied up at the River Street Bridge, rising to the level of the railings along the river.